Earth Breeze is a popular, eco-friendly laundry detergent sheet that's designed to replace traditional liquid detergents. It comes in lightweight, dissolvable sheets instead of heavy plastic jugs, and costs around $20 to $25 for a pack that typically covers about 60 loads. The brand markets itself as a greener, cleaner, and more convenient alternative for people who want to cut down on plastic waste and simplify their laundry routine. Earth Breeze claims several benefits. They say their detergent sheets are eco-friendly, biodegradable, and packaged in compostable paper instead of plastic. They dissolve instantly in hot or cold water, work in all types of washing machines, and are gentle on sensitive skin because they're free from harsh chemicals like dyes, parabens, and phosphates. The brand also highlights that the sheets are mess-free, travel-friendly, and pre-measured, so there's no chance of overpouring detergent. Many people choose Earth Breeze mainly because of its environmental mission and convenience. The ingredients include surfactants like sodium dodecyl sulfate and alcohol ethoxylates that lift dirt and oils from fabric, along with glycerol and sodium acetate, which help the sheet hold its shape and dissolve properly. The sheet is made with PVA, a biodegradable and water-soluble material that breaks down in water and helps deliver the active cleaning ingredients evenly throughout the wash. Cornstarch and small stabilizing agents help keep the sheet intact until it hits the water. The overall science behind it is simple. Once the sheet dissolves, the surfactants spread through the water, loosen stains, and clean the clothes just like a liquid detergent would, but without the need for plastic packaging or added water in the formula. Many users online praise Earth Breeze for being extremely convenient, lightweight, and eco-conscious. People love that it takes up almost no storage space, works for everyday laundry, and leaves clothes feeling fresh without overpowering fragrance. Sensitive skin users often mention fewer reactions compared to commercial detergents, but there are also a few important red flags. Some users say the cleaning power isn't strong enough for heavy stains or very dirty loads, and they sometimes need to use 2 sheets instead of 1, which increases the cost. A few customers also mention subscription issues or delayed deliveries, and a small number report mild skin irritation depending on their sensitivity level. Overall, Earth Breeze is worth it if your priority is convenience, sustainability, and using a gentler detergent for day-to-day laundry. It may not be the strongest stain fighter on the market, but for regular loads, small spaces, travel, or an eco-friendly lifestyle, it delivers on most of what it promises and offers good value for people who want a low-waste alternative.